What's up, money mavens? Iggy the Investing Iguana here with another juicy financial scoop. The Investing Iguana is featured and ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with a total of 410,000 reads. In this video, I'll spill the beans on how United Overseas Bank, or UOB for short, managed to achieve a mind-blowing 26% jump in their profits last year. We're talking record-breaking numbers, folks. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these money-making secrets. Recent events have indeed cast a shadow over the United Overseas Bank, UOB, with the passing of its former chairman, Wee Cho Yaw. His departure was not just a loss for the bank, but also for the entire financial industry. Known for his visionary leadership and immense contribution to UOB's growth, Wee Cho Yaw was a figure of respect and admiration. This unfortunate event brought together the current leadership of the bank in a solemn gathering. The present chairman, Wong Kan Seng, and the chief executive officer, Wee Cho, who is also the son of the late chairman, came forward to pay their respects. It was a moment that highlighted the transient nature of life, but also the enduring legacy that a leader leaves behind. However, as is the nature of life and business, they move forward. The bank continues its operations, upholding the values and vision set forth by Wee Cho Yaw. The leadership is now in the capable hands of Wong Kan Seng and Wee Cho, who are committed to steering UOB towards continued success. They carry the responsibility of not just running a bank, but also preserving and building upon the legacy of a remarkable leader. Now, let's get to the good stuff, money. The year 2023 was indeed a remarkable one for UOB. The bank's performance was nothing short of stellar, with its core net profit reaching an unprecedented high. The figure stood at a staggering $6.1 billion, marking a significant milestone in the bank's financial journey. This wasn't just a minor increase, it represented a substantial growth of 26% compared to the previous year. Such a leap in profits is a testament to the bank's robust strategies, efficient operations, and the unwavering trust of its customers. But the good news doesn't stop there. In a move that underscores UOB's commitment to its shareholders, the bank announced a total dividend payout of $1.70 per share. This decision is akin to receiving a generous gift, or as it's commonly referred to in Chinese culture, a big, fat ong bao, from a wealthy relative. It's a clear indication of the bank's strong financial health and its dedication to sharing its success with those who have invested in its journey. In essence, UOB's financial performance in 2023 was not just about impressive numbers. It was a reflection of the bank's sound management, its ability to navigate economic challenges, and its commitment to rewarding its shareholders. As we look forward to what the future holds, these achievements set a positive tone for UOB's ongoing journey. Indeed, the future looks promising for UOB, especially with the insights shared by their Chief Financial Officer, Lee Yfai. He provided a glimpse into the bank's future earnings, setting clear and ambitious financial targets. One of the key goals is to maintain a net interest margin of 2%. In layman's terms, the net interest margin is essentially the difference between the interest income generated by the bank and the amount of interest paid out to their lenders relative to the amount of their interest-earning assets. It's a key measure of a bank's profitability. By aiming for a 2% net interest margin, UOB is expressing its intent to continue making a substantial amount of money from the interest they charge on loans. Another significant target set by UOB is to achieve a return on equity of 14%. Return on equity is a measure of financial performance calculated by dividing net income by shareholders' equity. It's essentially a measure of how effectively a company uses the money invested by its shareholders to generate profits. A 14% return on equity means that for every dollar of shareholders' equity, UOB aims to make a profit of 14 cents. This is a clear indication of UOB's commitment to using its shareholders' money wisely and generating a good return on their investment. In simpler terms, UOB's financial goals reflect its commitment to continue its profitable operations and to ensure that it is utilizing its shareholders' investments effectively. These targets not only provide a roadmap for the bank's future operations, but also offer reassurance to its shareholders about UOB's financial strategies and growth prospects. CFO Lee Yfai shared some exciting news about UOB's future prospects. He mentioned that the bank is capable of sustaining an asset growth of 8% per year. This is a significant figure as it directly translates to a profit growth of 8% to 10% annually. Imagine having a money tree that not only grows steadily but also flourishes year after year. That's the kind of growth trajectory UOB is on. But what does this mean for the average person? Well, in simple terms, it means that the value of the bank's assets, which includes loans, investments, and cash, is expected to increase by 8% every year. This growth in assets is likely to result in an increase in profits by 8% to 10%. It's like watching your investment in the bank grow steadily, providing more returns each year. And there's more good news for shareholders. UOB plans to maintain a generous 50% dividend payout ratio. This means that half of the net income earned by the bank will be distributed back to the shareholders as dividends. It's akin to receiving a regular allowance, but in this case, the allowance is coming from a bank, not from your parents. This strategy not only rewards shareholders for their investment but also demonstrates UOB's confidence in its financial stability and future profitability. 5 years from now, UOB CEO, Wee Cho Yaw, envisions a significant transformation for the bank. He sees UOB expanding its reach and influence, transitioning from a local bank to a more regional one. The goal is not just to expand, but to excel, with UOB aiming to be the best trade bank in Southeast Asia. This vision reflects the bank's commitment to growth and its ambition to be a leading player in the region's financial landscape. But the ambitions don't stop there. UOB has set its sights on capturing a 5% share of the massive $3.8 trillion market. To put this into perspective, it's like trying to get a slice of the biggest durian cake you've ever seen. This is no small feat, but it's a challenge that UOB is ready to take on. Achieving this would mean a significant increase in the bank's market presence and would position UOB as a major player in the financial industry. This vision for the future is not just about numbers and market shares. It's about UOB's commitment to its customers and its determination to provide the best services in the region. It's about leveraging its strengths, learning from its experiences, and constantly innovating to meet the evolving needs of its customers. CEO Wee Cho Yaw highlighted the importance of maintaining focus in the banking industry. This sector is known for its heavy regulations and the substantial capital it requires. It's akin to playing a game of Monopoly. Just as in the game, where players need to be strategic about where they invest their money and avoid the temptation of purchasing every property they land on, banks too need to be judicious about their investments. They need to ensure that they are complying with all the regulations while also making sure that they have enough capital to support their operations and growth. Wee's emphasis on focus is a testament to UOB's strategic approach to banking. It reflects the bank's understanding of the complexities of the industry and its commitment to navigating these challenges effectively. It's about making smart decisions, managing risks, and ensuring the bank's stability and sustainability in the long run. But the vision for UOB doesn't stop there. We also assured shareholders that the bank has a solid succession plan in place. He has been diligently working to prepare the next generation of leaders who will carry forward UOB's legacy and uphold its values. This is much like a relay race, where the baton is passed from one runner to the next. In the same way, the leadership of UOB is being passed on to capable hands, ensuring that the bank continues to prosper in the future. And there you have it, my fellow finance fanatics. The inside scoop on how UOB crushed it in 2023, raking in profits like a boss. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your wealth-building journey, these insights are pure gold. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more financial wisdom straight from the Investing Iguana's mouth. Together, we'll navigate the money maze and achieve that sweet, sweet financial freedom we all crave. Until next time, stay savvy, my friends.